Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for you. This morning I wanted to take a look at this little tool in the parcel manager for either Visualworks or Object Studio, the startup ordering tool. One of the things about Cincom Smalltalk is that there are a set of subsystems that operate much like the way startup happens in Linux or Unix. You have run levels in those systems. In Visualworks and Object Studio you have these startup systems. And the way that all operates is through subsystems. So you go in here and you see there's subsystem, the abstract class, and there's a whole bunch of other ones. And you can create your own, which typically you subclass off of user application and then have your own startup code in there. Now the interesting thing is if you've got other ones in there that aren't user application subclassed, you might wonder, well, in what order do these fire? Even if you have your own, you still might wonder what order these fire. It can be a little difficult to kind of mentally trace that out. What this little package that I've loaded does, though, is you notice there's this. Let's close this browser and open a new one. I think I brought that in before I opened that up. So let's go find subsystem, go to hierarchy, and now we'll take a look at, say, this guy, and then we'll go up here to this tab called startup order, and you notice there's that little graph. Let's go down to a more complex one, take finalization system, and you see this. So if you want to see the order in which this guy appears in the grander scheme of things, you can use this little package that you can load in, and then there will be an additional tab in the browser that you can look at. Now it'll bring hot draw in, so be aware that that'll come in, but it'll draw this diagram for you. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.